Hi there, in this video I will show you how to create greeting cards. So I am here on canva.com. So first of all you can search for greeting cards here and press enter. So you will find different templates according to greeting cards. So there we have 10,000 templates. So you can see here, but if you don't like this here, so you can open a new tab and search for Pinterest. So there you can get a lot of inspirations. So I will search for a greeting card and you will find different options. So like this one, if I open it, so you can create this card same. Once you find the inspiration, you can simply create a new card here. But if I go with the template, so let's say we will go with this one. Click on the template that you like the most, and if I scroll down, so there you will find more templates related to the upper one that you select. So we will go with this one here. Click on customize this template. Okay, so now here you can adjust each element from here like this. If you don't like the position, you can simply change it. And if you want to increase the size, you can do it too. So like here, if you want to change the thank you, you can change it. And from here you can edit this text too. So after all the editing, you can simply click on share, and from here you can download it. In this way you can create greeting cards. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.